What if the wildest places in America are inside city limits? Today, I am stepping into the clay to explore USA zoo parks, how they protect animals, teach us, and bring the world's ecosystems to our neighborhoods. Here is the hook: zoos are not just for cute selfies. In the US, more than 200 facilities are accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, AZA, a gold standard for animal care, welfare, science. These places run species survival plans. They track genetics and literally rescue species from the edge. Fast facts: the Bronx Zoo spans about 265 acres in the middle of New York City. San Diego Zoo Safari Park, around 1,800 acres of open-range habitat. The Smithsonian's National Zoo in DC is free to enter, but the research behind the scenes is priceless. Omaha's Henry Dorley Zoo built one of the largest indoor rainforests and the world's biggest indoor desert. Conservation wins. Black-footed ferrets, once thought extinct, were bred in zoos and reintroduced to the wild. California condors soared back with help from breeding and release programs. Manatees get rehab at places like Zoo Tampa before heading home. Sea turtles in Texas get a second chance thanks to coordinated rescue teams. But there is a real debate. What makes a good zoo? Look for the AZA logo. Check for naturalistic habitats. Space to roam. Enrichment, puzzle, feeders. Enrichment, training sessions. Enrichment, social groups that keep animals active and curious. Ask staff what research or fieldwork the zoo funds. If the answer is solid, that is a green flag. Go early. Animals are more active in the cool. Be quiet in sensitive areas. Stress is real. Do not tap the glass. Do not feed animals. Zoo diets are science, not snacks. Bring a refillable bottle and use recycling. Sustainability starts with tiny choices. Behind the scenes, it is Science City. Vets run full hospitals, x-rays and surgeries, custom diets. Keepers train animals with positive reinforcement, so medical care is stress-free. Biologists manage family trees to keep captive populations healthy. The future is wild and smart. AI tracks animal movement to tweak habitats. 3D printed enrichment keeps minds busy. Renewable energy powers exhibits. Zoos link up as meta-populations, sharing genetics across states. So, what is the real point? For most people, a zoo is their first eye-level moment with a tiger, an elephant, or a tiny poison dart frog. That spark right there can turn a kid into a scientist, a volunteer, or the voter who funds a wildlife corridor. If you go, pick accredited. Ask questions.